Assalamu alaikum. Next step, I am going to draw the side view of part number 1 stand. So இப்போ நம்ம ஸ்டாண்டு வரையலாம். இதோட சைடு வியூ ஃபஸ்ட்டு பேஸ்லேருந்து ஃப்ரண்ட் வியூலேருந்து நம்ம ப்ரொஜெக்ட் பண்ணிக்கலாம் இல்லைங்க சார். ஸோ இதோட டோட்டல் லென்த்து பார்த்தீங்கன்னா 125 கொடுத்துருக்காங்க. ஃபஸ்ட்டு நம்ம சென்டர் லைன் வரைஞ்சிக்கலாம். ஸோ த லென்த் ஆஃப் திஸ் பேஸ் ஃபர்ஸ்ட் 125. ஐ எம் கோயிங் டு ட்ரா த சென்டர் லைன் ஃபர்ஸ்ட். திஸ் சென்டர் லைன் ஃபர்ஸ்ட். ஸோ 125 அதில் ஹாஃப் பார்த்தீங்கன்னா 62.5 வரும். Thickness of this flange is 15 mm. A mistake, I have drawn line from 115. I have to draw line from 125 from here. Mark 15 mm from the base. Then this portion thickness was 25 mm. This distance is 70. So I split 35. Extend the line. This distance was given 60 mm. Then I have to draw this slant line. For that, use ruler and join these 2 points. Next step, we have to draw this center line. This center line has an offset distance of 17 mm. So I am measuring 17 mm I'm marking a point. With that point I'm drawing another center line. Here I am going to use offset section, so I'm bending this section line here. So of that, the offset distance was 17 mm. Next, இங்கே பார்த்தீங்கன்னா ஒரு ஹோல் ட்ரில் பண்ணியிருக்காங்க. there is a hole here. The hole diameter was given on the top view 20 mm. You can see another threaded hole here. That hole diameter was given on the top view M6, and also the distance between these two center of the hole is 15 mm. So I'm marking 15 mm, 5, 10, 15 here. So M6 means we can split into 3 mm. As this one is a threaded hole, I have to draw two lines to indicate that this one is a thread. I am leaving just 0.5 mm gap. So இந்த ரெண்டு லைனுக்கு இடையில் 0.5 mm கேப் விட்டு இன்னொன்று லைன் வரீங்க உள்ளார. ஸோ இப்போ இது வந்து threaded hole. Next thing, here you can see a small cut. The height is 3 mm and the width is 36 mm. Half of 36 is 18. 10, 15, 18 and 10, 15, 18. Here the corners are filleted. As this height is 3 mm, use 6 mm diameter hole to fillet the corners. Next thing, we shall draw this hole. Before that, we have to mark the center point. We can project that center point from the front view. The hole diameter is 20 mm. Here I am using the pro circle to draw the 20 mm diameter hole. So this one is a circle of diameter 20 mm. Next thing, I have to draw these two lines that one also we can project from the front view. From this corner I am projecting that line, and from this point, which is 18 mm below from this center line, you can see in the front it was given this distance is 12 mm, which means this distance is 12 mm and this distance is 18 mm. So this line is 18 mm below the center line. And the next one I am going to draw this. Before that I have to mark this mark the center point, which is 14 mm from this line, and this line is 6 mm from the base. So total you will get 20 mm. Otherwise we can project it from the front view. So I am directly projecting the center point from the front view. The whole diameter is 18 mm. So this one is the 18 mm diameter hole. Then this circle, this semicircle radius was 13.5. Use compass and measure 13.5. Measuring 13 and 14. Between 13 and 14 I am keeping the pencil. I am drawing the semicircle. Then draw the vertical line of 14 mm length. So this distance is 14 mm, and also from here. Then join this line. You can see here the fillet of radius 6 mm. So use a 12 mm diameter circle. Okay, that's all. We have completed the side view. Then we have to assemble some parts. In this hole we have to fix part number 6, linear bush. You can see here part number 6, this will be placed here. So already we have drawn this 20 mm line. I have to also, this height is 20 mm, so this height is also 20 mm, so it will correctly match here. I have to draw this two line only, which is 12 mm. The gap between these two line is 12 mm. You mark 6 mm, and in this side 6 mm. Next we have to assemble this part number 7 and 8 here. So already we have drawn this 12 mm line. This gap is 12 mm. So we have to insert this portion here. Also I have to draw the mirror image of this diagram, because this side, this end will come here. ஸோ இதோட மிரர் இமேஜ் தான் நம்ம இங்கே வரையணும். ஸோ அப்படின்னு பார்த்தீங்கன்னா ஃபஸ்ட்டு இந்த போர்ஷன் வரைஞ்சிக்கலாம், இந்த லைன். ஸோ இந்த லைனோட டிஸ்டன்ஸ் வந்து 17 mm. 17, half of 17 is 8.5. So this distance is 17, and the overall thickness is 9. So from here you mark 9 mm and draw a rough line. And the diameter was given 24 mm, which means from center to this distance is 12 mm. 10, 11, 12. So this distance is 12 mm. Sorry, I have to erase this line. And this distance was given 9.5. So you mark a point in between 9 and 10. And this gap distance is 1.5. Also here you can see a knurled portion. இந்த இடத்துல பார்த்தீங்கன்னா knurling பண்ணியிருக்காங்க. I'm going to show that knurling here, but before that you can see a small chamfered lines here. So in the corner chamfer பண்ணியிருக்காங்க. So you will get another 2 lines very close. I'm going to use just a 0.5 mm. The gap between these 2 lines I'm going to keep 0.5 mm. So in this portion I have to show the knurled knives. So for that, turn your drafter to 45 degree.